So I've been sat on my desk all morning working on different projects around team productivity, and there's one part of productivity that I've completely forgotten, and that is looking after my own. And here we go. So the first thing to say is that I am not an expert in mental or physical well-being, but I have been privileged to sit in hundreds of sessions for the fantastic men and women who are experts in mental and physical well-being, who've supported EML's programs to boost team productivity and engagement. One of my key takeaways from sitting in on all of those sessions is the importance of getting yourself moving on a daily basis or even a few times a week, and the benefits that that has on both your physical and mental well-being. And as a 40-something guy that has spent way too long sat on my bum, stooped over my computer, I for one am already aware of certainly the physical impact that that can have on your body in terms of back pain, shoulder pain, and also mentally feeling a little low on energy and generally not feeling as positive and as optimistic as I would like. And by getting yourself moving, you can really easily offset some of those negatives. And I do appreciate that going running is a little bit excessive for some, and that really simply walking to the shop to grab your lunch, or if you're at home at the moment, walking around the block, or taking the dog for a walk if you have one, anything to get air into your lungs, feel the sun on your face, and just feel that you're getting moving will have an incredibly positive impact on, as I said, your mental and physical well-being, but also your productivity, both personal and as a valued member of your team in your organisation. So for us at EML, it now really doesn't matter whether you have booked an intervention around well-being, which we would look to bring in our dedicated providers around mental and physical well-being, looking at things like stress, healthy eating, getting a good night's sleep, getting moving for all abilities, or whether you're just looking to run a team event with measurable outcomes. Well-being will underpin that in whatever it is that you choose, because if you do not include well-being or acknowledge that the well-being of your team is important, ultimately that will negatively affect the team's productivity and your retention levels. So it's not something that can be ignored anymore, and team events with EML are a great way to address it.